Hari Om. In this video we are going to discuss how to prepare ourselves for this meditation. To begin with the meditation, the best time is morning when the sun is rising, because this is a sun meditation and we are going to harness the energy of sun. So we are going to start this meditation in morning only. So whenever you do this meditation, make sure you are doing this meditation in morning time when the sun is rising, around that time, and you should face east for the best benefits. Suppose you are living in a country where there is no where it's very cold, all the snow, no sun is, you cannot see the sun, still you know the sunrise time, so it's better to do that time and face the east while doing the meditation. So the posture you can make while doing the meditation, you can sit easily in meditative position, you can make Sukhasan, Padmasan, Vajrasan, lotus position, half lotus position. All these positions in a form of picture I have posted in the end of the video. You can see in the end of the video all these positions if it's not clear for you, or you can just see, if you can just simply sit on the chair also, but I would recommend if you have your some touch of the earth, because you can harness the energy of earth element also. So when I talk about the energy as a pranic healer, as a Reiki healer, my experience and what my guru taught me is like the sun energy is the most potent energy, because sun is like direct God, Pratyaksh Devta we say in Hindi. Sun is direct God, like we can see, and then the most potent energy you can harness is from sun, and then again from the earth. So if you are sitting, you are touching earth also directly, it is also very good. And try to do this meditation in the open air, like in the open sun, where you can where you can feel the sun on yourself also. That will be far more beneficial. All the things preparations I'm telling you, it is not necessary to follow them 100%, but yes, if you follow them, so this meditation is going to be more powerful for you, more helpful for you. So I recommend you to face the east, and when the sun is rising, and face the sun and try to sit in open sun, try to touch the earth also, sit barefoot, and wear very loose cloth. If you can wear cotton clothes or like, so that is also very good. And before starting the meditation, I would recommend you, if you know set of some exercises, or if you can just loosen up yourself, the best thing to do is Surya Namaskar, that we call sun salutations. For sun salutation you can see many videos, even you can find them on YouTube and other platforms also. Otherwise, just for simple exercises, I'm also going to post a video on in this course. You can see a set of simple exercises also, any simple exercises to loosen up your energy, because what happens, most of the time we are always in the pool of prana, pool of energy, everywhere energy, congested energy, so we tend to absorb the energies. But it's a good thing, in morning time when we wake up, our energies are more fresh. So and I recommend you to do this meditation after taking bath, because when you take the bath, we don't only have a physical body, we have an invisible body also. We have two sort of body. One is physical, that we can touch, and other one is invisible body, which we cannot touch, which is made of bioplasmic matter. So what happens, when you clean the physical body, that also get little bit cleaned, and when you clean the bioplasmic, the invisible body, we call aura, that contains aura, chakras, all these things. So when you clean this, your physical body also get cleaned. So when you take the shower, so your energies become more clean, more radiant. And what happens when you do any meditation? When we do any meditation, so the divine energies and the positive energies come to us. So we should be ready to absorb the energy. So if our energy field is already clean, so it's we can absorb more clean energies. And but what happens, you just do the meditation. What you do, some people, what they do, okay, they are doing the meditation in morning, they do the sun salutation meditation, and after the meditation then they clean themselves, they take the shower, okay. But when you take the shower, so you also clean all those energies, you also throwing away those energies which you are harnessing in the morning. So I recommend you to take the shower first and then do the meditation.